Okay, here's the quick room tour that a friend of mine's letting me check out. It's a 2-room suite, 2 bathrooms. There's enough bedroom for actually 6 people. 2 here, and this folds up into a couch. And like the this is the Finding Nemo section of the Art of Animation Hotel. I like the color. I actually like the decorations on here. That turtle thing's cool. I actually like that blue. It's very retro. It kind of reminds me of like a 1970s chair. I like that lamp. Oh, I remember that from the movie. Of course, they almost have like a mini kitchen, microwave, thing to make coffee, fridge, interesting garbage receptacle, has recyclables and trash. Of course, they have a sink. So good. It's like a tiny little kitchen. Here's one of the bathrooms. Regular tub, toilet. Look, it has like a porthole to a ship. Fish are friends. That is awesome. And then this table here can move out, and you pull that down, and it's a bed. So you could have technically do 2 people there, and then 2 people there. Oh, look at the ground. It's not carpet. It's tile, not tile, but linoleum. They make it look like it's oceanine blue. So it all goes for the theming. And oh, I gotta point out the light. Doesn't that look like, I think that's supposed to symbolize bubbles, I think. So that is cool. Okay, just the first part. Let's check the other section. Really cool bed thing. And then here's the dresser again. That is cool.
Yeah.
Definitely like the drawing. I like the other dresser better because of the color. Of course, the same flooring in here. The bedboard is nice. And look at these lamps. It's like a oh, what you call that creature?
Jellyfish.
Yeah, jellyfish. That's it. I think that's awesome. Actually, looking. They actually have jellyfish at Epcot at the Living Seas. Well, the Finding Nemo thing now. That's awesome. Okay. Yeah, I showed that one out there. They have the lamp out here, or the light. Looks like I think it's supposed to symbolize bubbles. It's all nautical themed, anyways. Just need to show the bathroom really quick. Since this is basically the master bedroom, this is the master bath, and it's a walk-in shower. It's only a little walk-up step, so not too far. There's the big porthole thing. Fish are friends. That is cool. And that's almost looks kind of nautical, like from a ship too, the way those lights are. Because they have the mirror and everything. They have dryers here too. What does that say? G322. I'm not sure what that's from. That might have been from the submarine section of the movie. But this is the bathroom. Just a quick little walkthrough of it. All right, cool. Awesome. I like it.